Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to play with friends on Monopoly Go. So you will see at the down right, you're gonna see the last thing, which is like a shake of hands, friends. So we're gonna click on it and you will see three options. First of all, you're gonna add the contacts. So what we gonna do is we're gonna add our phone number right here and we're gonna verify. So I'm gonna add my phone number and I'll get back to you. So after we verify our phone number and all that, we're gonna start adding friends from our contacts and we're gonna allow access to our contacts. And as you can see, if we open the friends and family contacts, you will see that none of my contacts are playing Monopoly Go. So there's a second option, which is gonna see the Facebook account. So you're gonna link your Facebook account and you're gonna authorize, and sign in with your account on Facebook. So we're gonna allow him we're gonna allow it to connect to our to our Facebook account. So any friends that I have gonna play Monopoly Go, it will be appearing right here. Okay, there's a last option, which is invite. So we're gonna click on the green button, which is the invite button, and you're gonna click on the orange thing right here, and we're gonna share our we're gonna share our invite to these contacts to let them know that, hey, we are playing Monopoly Go, come join us. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.